We received a call about a pregnant dog behind a Little Caesars pizza. We knew we had to act fast or the entire family would be at risk. Too scared to take food, we finally caught her under a church. You voted and named her Hope. She laid frozen at the rescue until 2 days later, she gave birth to 9 little boys. We don't believe she's ever been in a home or had a family, or even enjoyed one of the simple things like a walk. She deserves love, and that's what she's gonna get. This is Hope's Journey, Part 1. Please follow for Part 2.